Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel, where we focus on your health, your wellness, and the joyful journey of aging well. Today, we're going to talk about something that touches almost every senior's life, whether you realize it or not: clogged arteries and poor circulation. Now I know, it might sound scary at first, but here's the truth. Your body wants to heal. It wants to stay strong. And the amazing part is, you have more control than you think. So in today's video, we're going to reveal one powerful, natural drink that can help clean your arteries and improve blood flow, the silent foods that could be damaging your aging body, and what to eat instead to protect your heart, brain, and every part of your circulation. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's take care of your health together. Let's start with the basics. Why does circulation even matter? As we age, our arteries, those little tubes that carry blood from our heart to the rest of the body, can become stiff and narrow. It's called atherosclerosis, and it happens when plaque builds up in the walls of your arteries. Now, what's plaque made of? Mostly cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other debris. And over time, this buildup can slow down or even block your blood flow. That means your heart has to work harder, your brain may not get enough oxygen, and your muscles may feel weaker or colder. Poor circulation can lead to fatigue, dizziness, memory problems, leg cramps, and even serious issues like stroke or heart attack. But here's the good news. Nature has given us tools to help. And one of those tools comes in the form of a simple, healing drink. You might be wondering, what is this secret drink? It's not a fancy supplement. It's not something you need a prescription for. It's a homemade combination of 3 simple ingredients, each backed by science, to help protect your arteries and boost circulation. Here it is: lemon plus garlic plus ginger water. That's right. These 3 ingredients work together like a natural cleansing tonic for your blood vessels. Let's break it down. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemons help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Vitamin C is also essential for strong, flexible blood vessels. Garlic. This little bulb is packed with allicin, a compound shown in multiple studies to help lower LDL cholesterol, relax blood vessels, and improve overall blood flow. Ginger. A powerful anti-inflammatory root that supports circulation, helps prevent blood clots, and even aids digestion, which is linked to heart health. Combined, these ingredients form a natural drink that may help reduce plaque buildup, strengthen artery walls, and improve the smooth flow of blood throughout your entire body. We'll share the exact recipe in just a moment, but first, let's look at what might be hurting your arteries without you even knowing it. Now, even if you're eating okay, some foods can sneak in and silently work against your health, especially when it comes to circulation. Here are some of the most common culprits that many older adults still eat daily. Processed meats, like bacon, sausages, deli slices. These are high in saturated fats, preservatives, and sodium nitrates, which can inflame arteries and raise blood pressure. Refined oils, such as soybean, corn, and vegetable oil. These oils are cheap and used in many packaged foods, but they're high in omega-6 fats, which throw off the body's balance and increase inflammation. Sugary drinks, sodas, flavored teas, even so-called health drinks with added sugars. They spike blood sugar, increase belly fat, and raise triglycerides, all of which damage arteries over time. White bread and pastries. These refined carbs quickly turn into sugar in the bloodstream, contributing to insulin resistance, inflammation, and poor vascular health. But don't worry, you don't need to feel deprived. We're going to show you exactly what to swap in to heal and energize your body, and how to make that powerful drink to support your arteries. Coming up next, we'll walk you step by step through how to make the lemon garlic ginger drink at home. Plus, the best heart-healthy foods to add to your plate: simple, affordable, and delicious. Alright, now let's get into the heart of it. How to actually make this simple healing drink right at home. This lemon garlic ginger tonic is something you can drink daily or a few times per week, depending on your body and comfort level. Let's go over the ingredients first. For lemons, preferably organic, wash thoroughly 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, peeled and chopped. A thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. 3 to 4 cups of water optional, 1 tablespoon of honey for taste, and a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefit. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Slice your lemons into small wedges and remove the seeds. Step 2. Add the lemon, garlic, and ginger into a blender. Pour in about half of the water. Step 3. Blend until smooth. It will form a cloudy, pulpy mixture. Step 4. Pour the mixture into a pot, add the remaining water, and gently heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not boil miso, remember. We gently heat the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes. The goal is to activate the beneficial compounds without destroying them. So keep the heat low and steady, a gentle simmer at most. Step 5. After heating, allow the mixture to cool slightly. Then, strain it using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove the pulp. What you'll have now is a clear, golden liquid, full of heart-healthy benefits. You can pour this into a glass jar or bottle and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Now the big question: how do you drink it? Drink 1 small glass about 1/3 to 1/2 cup first thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach. You can also take a second serving later in the day, about 20 minutes before dinner. Some people prefer to warm it slightly before drinking. That's perfectly fine. And if the flavor is too strong, add a teaspoon of honey or a splash of warm water to dilute it. Most importantly, consistency is key. This is not a magic potion, but over time, with regular use, many people report feeling lighter, more energized, and even seeing improvements in blood pressure and cholesterol numbers. Of course, always talk to your doctor before starting any new daily remedy, especially if you're on medication like blood thinners or have digestive issues. Now, let's talk about what to add to your plate, because a healing drink is just part of the picture. Here are 5 of the best foods to support healthy arteries, boost circulation, and reduce inflammation as we age. Rich in healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants. They help lower bad cholesterol LDL and raise good cholesterol HDL, keeping your arteries clean and flexible. Leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are packed with nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Plus, they're full of magnesium and vitamin K, which support strong arteries and reduce calcification. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, loaded with polyphenols and antioxidants. Berries help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the arterial walls. Try adding a handful to your breakfast or smoothies several times a week. Fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerelfish, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce blood pressure, lower triglycerides, and slow down the buildup of plaque. Aim for at least 2 servings per week if possible. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, they contain healthy fats, fiber, and plant sterols that support heart health. Just a small handful a day can help lower cholesterol and keep your blood vessels happy. These foods are not only powerful, they're delicious and easy to include in your routine. And don't worry, we'll show you how to build a simple daily meal plan that supports circulation in the next part. So, we've covered a healing drink, what to avoid, and what to eat more of. But what does a whole day of heart-healthy eating look like? In the next section, I'll guide you through a simple sample meal plan, breakfast to dinner, to help you keep your arteries clear, your circulation strong, and your energy high.